everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious and healthy weight loss smoothies for breakfast. If you're looking for an easy and nutritious way to start your day, you've come to the right place. Smoothies are a great way to get a healthy dose of vitamins and minerals, plus they taste great too. Ingredients. Let's get started by gathering our ingredients. You'll need some fresh or frozen fruit like strawberries, blueberries, bananas, or whatever you like. Some yogurt or milk will provide a creamy texture, plus some protein. And lastly, you'll need a liquid base like almond milk, coconut water, or even plain water. Instructions. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get blending. Start by adding your liquid base to the blender, then add your fruit and yogurt or milk. Blend until you reach your desired consistency. Benefits. Smoothies are a great way to get your daily dose of nutrients, and they can also help with weight loss. They're low in calories and packed with vitamins and minerals, so they can help keep you full and energized throughout the day. Plus, they're quick and easy to make. So there you have it. Healthy weight loss smoothies for breakfast. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.